Hey guys, how you doing? I got tagged. Daryl, 39camper, tagged me on winter pocket dump. So I came outside on a beautiful, nice day we have today to do a winter pocket dump. Kind of an oxymoron, but hey, it's beautiful out. I'm going to enjoy it. But anyway, as I said, this is a winter pocket dump, or the most boring video I've ever done. Stick around for all the excitement. Don't go anywhere. Anyway, we're going to start with the obvious. Of course, my keys. I either have that set or my other set, depending on what I'm driving, and I didn't bring those with me. I left them on my desk. But dog tag. See my video on that. Wouldn't suggest putting your actual dog tag on there. Somebody will have your keys and your name. Easy enough to find your address and your vehicles. The other thing I carry with me is a phone. Yes, that's an antique. That's what I carry. I beat the other ones up. I'm too rough on them. It's what I use. People go, well, what about all the apps? Hey, I can make phone calls and I can receive them. What about email? I can receive phone calls and I can make phone calls. Yeah, I'm old. The other thing, since most of the time I'm at work, I carry a notepad. I drive a truck, but I also make deliveries. I have to take order to take off my truck. But I usually carry a notepad, which can also be helpful in a situation where you need to leave a note if you're having to hoof it somewhere, or you have to leave your truck. You can leave a note where you went. Of course, along with that is a pen and a marker. But I usually look like the science kids or something. I usually have a pocket full of pens. Back to this winter pocket dump. I was kind of torn between pocket dump and EDC. So I'm sticking with just what's in my pockets, and in the wintertime I usually have on a coat, of course, maybe an inner coat, sometimes a pair of cover. Also, I have several pockets, usually loaded with junk. Since it is winter time, I will usually carry a heavy set of gloves and a pair of my work gloves. A lot of times I'll just leave the work gloves in the truck and pull them out when I need it. My military gaiter, I guess they call them. You put them around your neck and pull it up over your face to keep the wind down. Work pretty good. I really like it. One of the other things that I carry is a flashlight. I actually have several different ones depending on what I'm doing. It will depend on which one I'm carrying. But I usually have a flashlight stuck in one of my pockets, especially since I start very early and I have to see what's in my truck and also see to make deliveries early and also check the truck out. So have a flashlight. Okay. One of the other things I carry is a copy of my Constitution. Yeah, I have a copy of the Constitution. Wind's kicking up. I hope it isn't too noisy. I hope I don't have to reshoot this, but of course it started getting windy. Along with the Constitution, I used to carry one of these. I don't anymore. I probably should. Probably ought to carry both of them, but just threw that in because that's something I used to carry and I need to get back to it. Something else I carry, which David Robertson over at I went brain dead, sorry about that. An American Warning might surprise you. Carry some of your business cards that you gave me. I hand those out now and again. This is boring, isn't it? The inner IT guy in me. I carry a thumb drive with my important papers and documents on it that I want with me in case something happens. If you carry one with you, know where it is at all times. Hang on to it with your dear life. You lose that, and somebody has all your information. So if you carry one, make sure you know where it's at all times. Okay. Well, that's pretty much what I carry on a daily basis, because I'm usually at work. I'm not quite through yet though, but that's what I usually carry. On 39camper's video, he showed his firepower that he carries with him, and he asked you to decide whether it was loaded or not. Well, I'm just going to say I'm not showing you whether I do or not. You decide. What do I carry on weekends? Yeah, just for the fun of it. Anyway, guys, I hope that this wasn't too boring, and that's usually what I carry. And in this tag, we're supposed to tag 3 people. So, of course, I've got to tag my buddy, the Outdoorsman's Paradise. Gotcha, Terry. He was wanting to make a video. There you go. I had a couple people in mind I wanted to do tag, but that didn't sound right at all, did it? But what I did was I just put a bunch of them in a hat and I shook it up, and I reached out and I grabbed out 2 names. EagleJon, you're one of them. So I'd like to see what you carry, not so much your everyday carry in a sense, but your pocket dump. And if you choose to do winter or summer, that's up to you. I think the original was winter dump, but anyway, you do as you choose. And the other one was Detecting Arizona. I know he's not a bushcrafter, and this is probably out of his lines, but hey, your name got drawn, man. Maybe we can find out what some of those other guys carry that aren't bushcrafters. And, you know, preppers or survivalists maybe. But anyway, hope I didn't bore you too much. Thanks for watching.